Yes, you gotta get out the Babylon system. Oh, wow, wow. You sit down and wait for your break, while your life and your future is at stake. You think said them a go bring it come gear. Them no know your Babylon now want see ya. Make the first move towards your project. The picnic them want food off his surface. I pray to the Most High, guide each and everyone higher and higher and higher and higher and higher.
You can see my clothes.
You can see my clothes.
You can see my soul.
You can see my soul.
Let's see who is better sin. Cast it for soul. Who feels it knows? I'm proud of all my goals.
Hey, the killing is like a plague on the people. In these last years, dog eat dog. It's like a killing season. Guns they are more than food, while and a friend or a family or a loved one get killed from the bullet of a gunman. But we love sing about crocodile teeth. When it bites money, we eat those sweet. Rifle rise and a beat, yeah we love see it. But we no love see we friends in a white sheet. We are say kill, but when we